In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can get the Shadow Sword here in Sailor Piece on Roblox. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But in order to do this, you actually need to make your way over to any of the teleporters, interact with it, and go ahead and teleport over to Dungeon Island and head to the roof of this little main building on here. There's only one building, so you should find it pretty easily at least. But essentially, once you're in here, go up to the Shadow NPC. This is where you're going to need to see all the materials that you need. You need the Shadowborn Race, 1 Atomic Core, 4 Shadow Essence, 8 Void Seeds, 20 Umbro Capsules, 10 million money, and of course 15,000 gems. To get these materials, what you need to do is just go down here and run the Sid dungeon, just like so. If you interact with the main dungeon master right here, you can go ahead and run this dungeon in this area. Now the Shadow Boss spawns every few waves, and it does drop the items that you need. He spawns, I believe, 5, 10, and 15. But you can also buy materials from the dungeon shop using dungeon tokens, just like so. And the dungeon shop NPC is right here. Higher difficulty will give you better drops, but it is harder, so only do it if your build is strong enough. But the full method is really just to unlock the dungeon, farm it, and then of course you can go up to this NPC and get it from there. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help you out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.